sáu nữa rồi. Nghe là bác người Phan ơi.
Cigarettes, alcohol, you know I'm clawing out the walls trying to get my fix. Prozac, ADD tablets, smoke smack. Now you know I am trying to take screws. I used to get high for a living, believing everything that I saw on my TV. I used to get high for a living, eating all the bullshit food that they sold me. Yeah, that is on me.
Yeah, it's on the bench for ya.
Escape, can't wear off, trying to get away from this place, man, that we're feeling. Can't feel what's we're all trying to consume. All the time we're stealing. No doubt around you all can't find the cloud that you've been needing. Till then, my friend, you must contend with the monster that you're feeding. I used to get high for a living, believing everything that I saw on the TV. I used to get high for a living, eating all the bullshit food that they sold me. I used to get high for a living, thinking of my destiny was out of my control. I used to get high for a living, there's lots of different reasons and I tell you so. Got links of the chain, getting crazy, getting lazy with all their formulations. Starting wars, closing doors, trying to bring about one bigger man. Revelations, economic crashing now, calling bounds with the workers just trying to